Hello everyone, this is Dr. August de Oliveira, and I'm going to talk about keeping your teeth nice and white. So you may or may not be familiar with whitening products. There's whitening that we do in the dental office, and there's some stuff that you can do at home. Now, in the dental office, the way that we do it is we sit you in the dental chair, you stay there for about an hour, we put peroxide gel on your teeth and use a light. Now, some drawbacks about that is one, you gotta come see me. Two, it's expensive. It can be between $400 and $600. And some people with sensitive teeth find it to be painful. So these over-the-counter options are a great way to maintain your white teeth or get them as white as you want them. So pressed white strips have been around for a while, roughly about $30 a box. A fairly low concentration of peroxide, so it takes time. I've had some patients actually do these and have gotten just as white or whiter than what I've been able to do with my chairside whitening, but it's taken them 3 or 4 months to do. Now, here's a product that you can buy on Instagram, and it's a gel that comes in a pen, and you paint that gel on your teeth and use this little light that's connected to your phone and get their teeth nice and white. So another great option, a little more expensive than white strips, but in my opinion, I think it works better than white strips. So there you go, different ways to whiten your teeth. Tuesday Teeth Tips are for you. So if you have something you want to learn more about, respond below with the hashtag TuesdayTeethTips.